Kwekwe was selected to host the commemoration on the basis of its HIV/AIDS burden, which is higher than all districts in the province. It's number 2 after Gweru. The HIV prevalence in Kwekwe is estimated at 20.9%, which is much higher than both the provincial average of 13.5% and the national average of 15%. Of the estimated 164,200 people living with HIV in the Midlands province, 40,100 are in Kwekwe district, representing 24% of the provincial total. Kwekwe district's HIV incidence of 1.2 is also higher than the national average of 0.88%. In this regard, we are particularly happy about this year's theme, closing the tab of new HIV infections. It will empower us to take HIV prevention services guided by relevant policies and strategies to the areas of population subgroups at high risk of infection. Midlands province and the Kwekwe district in particular are endowed with gold deposits, and as such, we have a high population of artisanal miners who are part of most at-risk groups. People in mining and farming communities across the province are also at high risk of HIV infection. The Harare-Bulawayo Highway, which is an HIV risk factor, cuts across Kwekwe and a big part of the Midlands province. While we have several static sites that provide HIV prevention and treatment across the province, we are pleased that through World AIDS Day pre-launch activities, all the districts in the province, transmission, condom promotion and distribution, treatment of sexually transmitted infections, among other services. The same services were also offered to surrounding provinces, as they are central to HIV transmission dynamics in the Midlands. I would like to thank the Ministry of Health and Child Care, together with the National AIDS Council, for the campaigns through which 198,751 people were tested for HIV in Midlands between January and September this year. Of the 164,000 people estimated to be living with HIV, I am laboring informed that over 100,000 people are now on treatment. And therefore, we would like to thank once again the Ministry of Health, Child Care, and their partners for rolling out treatment to the 222 sites in the province. We, however, have to be relentless in rolling out HIV testing to ensure that the other 64,000 can also access treatment. I am hopeful that through implementing the current theme, we will motivate more of our people to get tested. Midlands province and its people are very hospitable and are very excited to have you here. You are all invited to spend some time and enjoy the experience of our province after the commemoration, by taking into account the statistics that I've given you.